Hey friends, let's do I Want to Know What Love Is guitar lesson by Foreigner. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easier to follow along. And we're tuned to E flat, so just tune each string down a semitone. So let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're starting on this E minor over B, so it's just an E minor chord, but don't play the top E string. And we're doing it down, 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 up, down, up. Then we're going to a D6 over A, so it's just the open A string, open D string, second fret on the G, open B, second fret on the E string, and we're doing it down, down, up. Then we're going to a G over B, so again exactly the same, do a G chord, but just don't play the top E string. And with this one, we don't want to add the third fret on the B string either. We just want that open there, and we're doing it down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Then to C, and a down, 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 up. Back to our E minor over B. And we're going to do this for 2 bars, and on the 4 we're going to go to an A sus2 and then a G over B there on the and. So the E minor over B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So that's our intro, then we have our verse. Let me play that for you. So for our verse, we're just doing the first line exactly the same as the intro. So A minor, and D6 over A to our G over B, to our C for half a bar, E minor over B. And on our 4 and our A sus2 and our G over B. Then we repeat that again, E minor over B to our D6 over A, so to our G over B, to our C half a bar. This time we do our E minor over B, do that for 2 bars. Then go to the D6 over A and do that for a bar. Then go back to our E minor over B for a bar. Now the second bar we're going to do a down, 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 up, and then we're going to put this fill in. We're going to play and then go back to the strumming. So we have second fret on the A, open D, second fret on the D, open G there. So. And then go straight back to our E minor over B again, to our D6 over A, so exactly the same, to our G over B, to our C. Now this time with the E minor over B, we're just doing it for a bar and putting the fill in, so it's exactly the same as before, down, 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 up, and our fill. Go back to the E minor over B again for a bar, to our D6 over A, and then to our G over B, so all exactly the same, to our C, to our E minor over B for a bar, then do another 1 count, 1, and go to the G for a count, and that's the end of our verse there. So the start's always staying the same. E minor over B to our D6 over A to our G over B, our C and our E minor over B, and it's just the ends that we're changing there, whether we put the fill in or we're going to the D6 over A. And that's our verse. Now let's do our pre-chorus. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say your day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps the channel out. So let's get back into it. So we're going to start on this A minor 7, except we're going to add the high G in, so 3rd fret on the E string, and we're going to go down, up, mute, then go to the A minor 7, just take your little finger off and go up, down, 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 up. And that's a strumming pattern we're using for this. So A minor 7 with the high G to A minor 7. Then D, and just A minor. Repeat that again, A minor 7. This time we're going to do down strums with D, D sus4, back to D, and then A minor again. Same start again, to the D, to the A minor. Now to finish off we've got C, G over B, A minor 7, G, and then we're going to do this A minor 7 at 11. So we just got the open A string, open D, open G, 1st fret on the B and an open E, and hold that for a bar there, and that's our pre-chorus. And that's our chorus. So we're just starting on the G and doing our down, 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 up, down, down, and then go to an E, and then D. And then we're going to throw in D sus4, D to D sus2, and they're just all down. So to A minor, back to the E minor, and then to D, with that little fill again. Then repeat that all again, G, E minor, to the D, with the fill, A minor, E minor. Now this time don't do the fill on the D, and finish on a D7. And then we just put our little fill in as before. And that's our chorus, and after there we have our little end to the chorus, and we're just doing the E minor over B for a bar, and then another bar with the fill in. So. And then we're going into the next verse. Let me play that for you. So this time we'll just see E minor over the B, and we're doing it exactly the same as our first verse. To the D6 over A, to the G over B, to the C. Then this time we're doing the E minor over B with the fill, so just for a bar there. So. Repeat that all again. G over B, C, and end it the same way we did with our last verse with the G. So we're starting with the E minor over B for a bar and 1 count. And going to the G there, which gets us ready for the pre-chorus, and that's exactly the same as our last pre-chorus. And then we have the last chorus. So for our last chorus, it's the same as our first chorus. We've got the G, the E minor, D with our fill, A minor, E minor, D with our fill again. Repeat that 3 times, and then the 4th time we start exactly the same. The G again, E minor to the D with our fill, the A minor, E minor, to the D, don't do the fill, and then go to the D7 for a bar. Then we just go back to the first line again, the G, E minor, D, A minor, E minor, D with the fill, G, E minor, D, A minor, E minor, D for a bar, D7 for a bar, and we just keep repeating that to the end there. And that's all the parts. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I want to know what love is guitar lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.